Welcome everyone to the video. This is Grima here from Team Grima Racing. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video of the brand new Alfano 6. So let's get started. So for our model, we got the water temp sensor. So first, it does come with a 45cm water temp sensor and an extension cable, 135cm. So we'll put these over to the side. And now let's get into the Alfano 6. So opening it up, we are first greeted with a user guide manual. We'll be going through this in a later video and teaching you how to use your Alfano 6 to the best of its ability. Put this over to the side. Next, we're greeted with an information sheet about the extension boxes, the box 12 and the box move. This will allow you to add extra temperature sensors, more speed sensors, and also G-force sensors. Put this over to the side. Next, we have an off-camera data sheet. This is partnered with Alfano, and this will give you the best ability to look through your data and get the most out of your time. So now, we're greeted with some stickers. We got one large sticker and 3 smaller ones, and also a visor sticker. Put these over here, and now we're greeted with the Alfano 6. Take this out of the packaging, and isn't she beautiful? Very good quality, very sturdy actually. We'll have a look at the back. So you got the battery here, you got your magnetic sensors, that's going to be for your charging, data download, and then this, the red one, will be for your sensors, so your temp sensor and stuff like that. We'll put this over to the side just for now, and now let's see what else we got in the box. So opening this up, we have, so first we're greeted with the plug. This is going to be used to charge it. We're from Australia, so we've got the Australian plug, but wherever you're from, it will come with the necessary adapter. Then we got the USB data download, and charging port. So this will be used to charge your Alfano. You can buy a USB data download separately, but we got some covers. This is for if you're not using some of them, you can put these to protect it, for make your Alfano 6 to last that little bit longer. And then last but not least, we have our RPM cables. This is just going to go wrap around your spark plug, and it will go into the unit, and this will give you all your RPM data needs. So let's turn on the Alfano 6 and see if she works. There we go. One beautiful unit. We hope you liked the video. We'll be going through the Alfano 6 in a later video to go through all the menus so that you know exactly how to use it to the best of its ability. We'll also be doing a review video later on after we've used a couple of sheets, so then we can show the data, and then we'll show you how to put it onto off-camera data to get the most out of your lap times. So if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you really like our videos and want to see the review videos and other videos that we make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment on what you want to see next. And yeah, I'm Grima from Team Grima Racing, and see you next time. Bye!